Worried about missing the April tax deadline? Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. If you miss the tax deadline, don't panic, we have got you covered. First of all, file as soon as possible. Even if you miss the deadline, it is better to file late than never. The sooner you file, the sooner you can. Avoid bigger penalties, stop interest from piling up, and claim your refund if you are owed one. Then, what if you owe taxes? If you owe money to IRS, file now to reduce the failure to file penalty. It is much higher than the failure to pay penalty. You can set up a payment plan with the IRS if you can't pay it all at once. Then, expecting a refund. Good news. If you are due a refund, there is no penalty for filing late, but you must file within 3 years to claim it. Miss the deadline, then you do not have to worry. File ASAP, minimize penalties, and get back on track. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.